Is your factory still struggling to store long, heavy materials? A leading global manufacturer of automotive components came to us. Their challenge: how to safely and efficiently store these long and heavy raw materials for production. Roll Out Cantilever Rack, one rack for the customer's needs. With a simple shake, the cantilever extends 100%. The cantilever can be extended 100% with just one swing, allowing the crane to work directly from above for instant safety and efficiency. The solid triangular structure guarantees a high load capacity. We also customize the adjustable grizzly and bottom frame to perfectly fit their material specifications. In the end, we helped our client transform a chaotic storage area into a modern, tidy, efficient, and safe storage space. If you have any questions or need more information, please contact us.